In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install GCC compiler for Windows 10 operating system. So go to the official site of CodeBlocks, click on Downloads, click on Download the binary release. Now select the platform for which you want to download. You can see here are multiple files, so we want to download this MinGW file. So download this file by clicking on any of the two links that are provided. Since I've already downloaded the file, so I'll cancel this download. Here is my downloaded file, so double click on it and start the installation process. Now you'll get this installation wizard, so just click next, then I agree, keep these settings default and hit next. Here is the destination folder where you want to save it. I'll keep it default, you might want to change it, so hit install. Now the installation process will take few minutes. After the installation is done, we'll set the environment variable. For that, we'll have to copy the path of the executable GCC file. Now the installation is done and we don't want to run it right now, so click no, next and finish. Now the installation process is complete, so we'll go and copy the path of the GCC executable file. Go to the folder where you have saved this. I've saved it in C drive. I'll go to the program files, then CodeBlocks, and click on this MinGW folder, then bin. You can find your executable file here. Copy the path of this file and close this. Search for the environment variable and click on the edit system environment variable. Now from here you select environment variable. Here we have a path under system variable, so just click on the path and edit. In this edit environment variable, we'll add the path that we have just copied. So hit OK. Now the variable will be stored in this path. So click OK and again OK. So our environment variable is set. Now open command prompt. Okay. We'll try to compile a C file. For that we'll have to first create a C file. So I'll create a C file. Okay, now I'll change its name to, let's say, file.c. Okay, yes, I want to change this name. Okay, now write some code in this file, any C code. So I'll write this simple program, save it, and now close this. So just go to the path where this file is stored. It's on desktop, so I'll go to the desktop. I'll go to desktop. Now now I'm on desktop. I can access the path, so I'll just compile my file GCC and file name, that is file.c. Okay, I'm not getting any errors, so my file is has successfully been compiled. Here is the executable file. Okay, so this was all about how we can install GCC on Windows operating system.